Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Gauri. I do publish weekly videos like home decors, organizing, DIY and vlogs. Today I am going to share with you all another Diwali decor video. So let's jump right into the video. Since Diwali is festive mood with lights and colors, hence I had decided to put this video and upcoming videos with the colorful and festive theme looks. I have showcased in this video with 3 different looks, which is very ideal and festive touch look. This first look, as I have already mentioned, there will be lot of colorful items, especially in a traditional golden color. I have concentrated mainly on the decor items, each and every part to give a catchy and attractive, which adapts a traditional look. To outline my decor works, I don't follow any principal rules or any fashion booklets. It is all from my ideas and whatever I think in that very moment, I plan my decor ideas accordingly. Second look, I have displayed lot of battery operated colorful candle lights, which brings out festive mood and positive vibes. The third and the final look I have decorated with these garlands and urli. And this clay pot urli which I have decorated long time back, and I even shared this DIY urli video on my old channel. I will post the link in the description box. If you like it, you can go and watch it. This urli I had kept it carefully, and now it is so useful for my decor works. Hope you all enjoy watching my video, and will shortly come up with another Diwali decor looks. Until then, goodbye.